What's up, family? This one is for my seafood lovers. If I'm not in the garden, I'm in the kitchen cooking up some good stuff here for you guys, and I like to share with you our crispy, spicy calamari. It's Caribbean Ducks. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We're gonna get started with about 2 pounds of cut calamari that's cleaned, and now we're gonna wash it up with some lime. 1 whole lime we're gonna juice, and we're just gonna squeeze the fresh lime juice right onto it and let it sit for a minute to marinate in the lime juice. And what that does, it cuts off all the rankness and it helps to tenderize and pre-cook that, so we don't want to leave it in too long. 1 minute is good, and then we'll rinse it off with some cold water and strain it. Now we're ready to season up our calamari. We're keeping it simple with the seasoning. Some black pepper, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano crushed. And we're going in with some cornstarch. This is to make it nice and crispy. About 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And some chili powder. This is hot spicy chili powder, some salt, and some flour. This is your regular all-purpose flour, a couple of tablespoons, and 1 fresh egg that we're gonna mix all together. And that's gonna be our batter to coat everything. Yes, guys, we're keeping it simple. We want it nice and crunchy. So if you see there's excess moisture, you can always add a pinch more flour and mix it well so we get a nice coating. We're gonna heat up our cooking oil. And this is my advice to you guys. Anytime you're frying stuff or you're making stuff, you wanna go in with one sample to try it out for the temperature, the taste, and just to see if you need to add or tweak anything in your ingredients, and then you can go in with the rest of it. Okay, so this is calamari. This cooks very quick, so about 1.5 minutes. Try to move it around, preventing it from sticking or burning. So you really don't have to flip it around, just keep it moving as long as you add enough oil. After about 1.5 minutes, you should have some nice golden brown, crispy calamari. And we're gonna continue to fry the rest of it, and you'll see how it turns out. Keep doing that with the rest of it. 1.5 minutes, that's all you need to cook for to get it nice and crispy. Look at the beautiful golden brown color here. So we're gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of it here. If you want to spice things up a little bit, I use a little bit of Cajun seasoning, slap your mama. As soon as you take it out the hot oil and it drains, hit it up with some of that. Some of your favorite Cajun seasoning. It's very spicy, making this nice spicy calamari. And now we plate up. And there you have it, spicy calamari, easy to make. Have some marinara sauce to go along with it, some lime on the side, squeeze the juice, hit it up with your marinara sauce, and there you have it. Open wide, take a bite. Crispy, spicy calamari. Very easy recipe. Give it a try. Tell me what you think. Caribbean Ducks. Keep watching for more recipes like this. Thank you. Have a good day.